Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Facebook image search to find someone. So first things first, let's go overhead to Google Play and then search for Google. Now you want to make sure that Google app is installed to your device. Click this one. Now after installing your Google app, let's go to that. Now click this Google Lens right here and select the photo that you want to search. For example, we have this photo right here and you can search the results below for the Facebook account of the photo that you want to search. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.